Welcome to Learn Playwright in 30 days. Today I will talk about handling flaky tests. What are flaky tests? Pass today, fail tomorrow. Sometimes pass, sometimes fail. General issue, timing issues. Unstable locators. Shared test data. Environmental instability. Identify flaky tests. Fix synchronization issues. Improve locator stability. Handle dynamic content. Use retry correctly. Analyze with Inspector and Trace Viewer. Build reliable frameworks. If test fail, maybe sometimes is a flaky test. When a test fail, you may ask, what was the issue with the locator? Was the button handled? Was the page loaded? Was another element blocking the click? Without an inspector and a trace view, you may just can guess which step failed, which element has issue. With the inspector and trace view, you can investigate fail. So you can investigate like which step fail, which element has issue. Fix flaky tests. You can use two tools. One is Inspect, another is Trace View. So do the living debugging, use the Inspect. Poor execution, use Inspect. Step through code, use Inspect. Replay past execution, use the Trace View. Analyze CI failing, use the Trace View. Locator picking, use the Inspect. Best practice. Use the page pool. You can target debugging. Use locator picker. Use select better selectors. Review action log, faster troubleshooting. Inspector with trace view together, complete debugging. Refactor generated code, cleaner tests. What are flaky tests? Pass today, fail tomorrow. One of the reasons, environmental instability, dynamic content. Yesterday, I coded a test for the Amazon. Like this is go to the Amazon web page and on the first page and get new on Amazon. This is alt text, so to be visible. So yesterday I code and I test pass. You can see this is a screenshot and this test pass yesterday. But today I run test again. This is a fail. Why is a fail? Because this is not to be visible. It's a fail. Because if you go to the Amazon, you see Amazon page, this content change different. So you see here is a change, so cannot get that is new on the Amazon, so fail for this test. how we can invest field test, Flaky Tests. We can use two tools. One is Inspector, another is a Trace Viewer. So let me run first is okay, I run the test. It keeps running. You see, for the test, this is the other test. But for the access statement, dynamic content is the field. Why is the field? So you can see the like a video. You can see the video. So this dynamic content change. So access this one is a field. So go to the another thing you can use. You can see here. Like go to the code. You see new on Amazon to be visible is a field. So this is a field. Okay, another you can trace view can see what happened for this one. You can see here is a trace view. You can see here is a trace view. Okay, I can open it. Let me see. Yeah, you can see the too many things here, but we can do another way. Yeah, like I can like go to the test result and find this trace view. You see here is a trace view. So I can copy paste and no, I cannot go. Okay, I can from the page. You can see here is a view trace. So click this one. You can see the process and like this is a timing and go to the page and you see here is go to be visible is the field and another thing show up. So you can see like a detail here. You see here is a detail something and the timeout cannot find. And here is also give information for this test. Well, you see here is a timing. Go to each page and then but not we want content not come up. So is a test field. Another content show up here. We can use another tool, Inspector, for the test. Let me open this. Okay, so open Inspector. Here is Inspector. So you see here is go to this page and let me run the step by step. Oh, yeah. I need to go to this one. Okay. But yeah, I cannot control for that one. I need a step by step one. Okay, wait till this page come up and you see here is click again. Okay, so go to next and go to Amazon. You see this page come up and okay, so access this content, but this content not come up. You see here is expect this to be available, but here is not to be visible. So is fill this one. So for the test field, probably is a truth field. Another one is a flaky field. So for the flaky test, you may use these two tools. One is the trace view, one is inspector, and step-by-step find. General issue is like environmental instability or dynamic content, time issue, locator change or something. Yeah, that is you can step by step find and correct. So for this one, I cannot use this dynamic content to access for the go to this page. So I need to use other thing like other thing or this one. So this is for the tool you can spect or invest the field test, Flaky test. Thank you for watching. See you next time.